Hello, I'm going to show you how to do a bird call with just your hands. So first you want to take your hands like this, and then like this, and you're going to make a ball almost in your hand with as much air in your palm as possible, but completely airtight. Leave a hole like this, and make sure your thumbs are lined up, and you're not going to blow into it, you're going to blow down onto it. That's how you do it.